Theodore, he's from England. He came for fishing, and then he wished to catch the big fish. Yeah, you want to catch the big fish? Yeah. Louis, say hi. Yep. So anyway, we'll get it.
Video.
Yes,
Oh,
video.
oh, oh. Ah, yes.
You open the like your lock.
No, just 189, 189, 189, 189.
Actually. Actually.
189.
Yeah, 189.
189.
It's a big one.
189 and another.
189. Yeah, two 189s.
89. Okay. Just wait.
Oh, wait, okay. Oh, it's a common car. Wait.
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
Can I stand up?
Yeah. Go there. Let it go. Okay. You play it. Slowly. It's a grass carp. No, wait. Okay. I think we need a landing net. Just wait.
Yeah. I take the video.
Landing net, sir. Net. Wow. Yes, can I get a few pieces?
Theodore.
What?
A bigger one, yes.
What's your name?
Theodore.
What's your name?
Theodore.
Theodore, he finally caught.
Yes.
It's a big one. Big grass carp. Navin. Wow, I think maybe I'll go there. So you need to hold the fish?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. And then take the picture?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So just hold it like that, okay?
It won't go off.
Yeah, let it get tired, you know? Yeah, let it get tired. Yeah. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Now I do a video.
Thank you for this.
Later, when you pick up, then that time I have to take another one video, okay?
Yeah.
Well, okay. Let it tired. Get tired. Let's see. Not yet. Not yet.
Maman, regarde. Regarde-moi. Attends.
Hey, be careful.
Yeah. Attends une seconde.
Be careful.
Attends. Je viens de l'attraper. Yeah, papa? Yeah, I'm going back up now. Merci. Au revoir. Au revoir, maman.
See? No. Okay. You hold this one. So I'll take out and then we'll take some pictures. Yes, sir. Both you kid, right?
Us.
Yeah, G5. Woo! Wow. Luis caught a fish. He's number 2nd or 1st.
Yes.
Anyway, Luis, slowly, try slowly.
Yes. So bigger?
It's a tilapia, I think.
Yes.
Slowly.
जाल हाल्नुपर्छ अघि जालले रहँदै
पर्दैन यो त पर्दैन. Wow, Luis, see? I told you, where to cast, yeah?
If you hold this, I run and get the fish too.
No. You don't need to go down.
Be careful.
You have to be careful with the hooks, okay? No, Luis. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Wow, Luis! I think Luis is the winner. Yeah? You take it. It's like 500 grams. So maybe we'll keep for the kitchen. Luis show me the fish. Oh wait, it's hooked up with there. Okay, so show me. Luis, right? You have to be careful, yeah?
Yeah.
The thorn is there. Lord. Yes, Luis. Now you're happy, boy. Luis, yeah. Do you like the place?
Yeah.
So I'll take your videos from here. Release the video. You coming?
Oh,
Yeah. You happy, yeah? Luis, happy now, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, smiling face.